Our product 4-feet veneer production line includes 4-feet log debugger, 4-feet wood peeling machine, log conveyor, and 4-feet vacuum veneer stacker. The function of veneer peeling line for processing wood and produce wood veneer. As you know, wood veneer is material for making plywood, wooden furniture, and others. So its quality are very important. This requires the veneer machine are good quality and strong enough. This 4-feet veneer production line can process max log length 1,400 mm and max log diameter 550 mm, and thickness can be 0.5 to 4 mm. With advanced and mature production technology and experienced workers and professional technicians, so our veneer machine structure and capitals are good, and we use good and thick materials, super machine accessories, and good electric box and upgraded electric parts. So, our log peeling machine are strong enough to peel kinds of hardwood like beech, birch, and others, and can help you produce very accurate wood veneer with smooth surface, which will help you create more value. Welcome, contact us for more information of veneer machine. We will offer machine working video and details for you. Choose us. You need not worry anything. We will help you arrange all. We will offer you the better and suitable machine, 2 years warranty, professional technical team at your service anytime, and hope to build a good and long-time cooperation.